Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the combination for your PixelTap daily combo. So the first thing you need to do actually to increase your daily combo allocation is to, as usual, I used to tell you guys, level up your bots, maybe level up one of your bots or two, or maybe level up everything. Okay, and once you've leveled up, then go over to reward, claim your daily reward. After claiming daily reward, go over to play daily combo. So now pay close attention. The first rope bot here we're going to use is this one. Then the second one on the list is this one over here. The third one is going to be this one, and finally the last one is going to be this one. Pay close attention. There's a difference between this one and this one. They are different. This one has kind of a steam engine behind it. It's gonna be this one, so just put it there, and let's go ahead and just check it. So as you can see, we got our 13 million of this stuff. Go ahead and claim your token. See you guys in the next one tomorrow. Peace out.